Now I'm going to teach you how to understand the calorie content of food without a label, using the simple calorie food grouping system. If you just memorize these 8 numbers and take a picture of your measuring cups in your mind, you can learn to guesstimate calories in your head to the nearest 100, like money. It's like when you're shopping. If something's $1.79, you estimate and say $2. If something is 80 calories, you say 100. Like money, you don't count every penny, but you need a concept. You want to know if something is 700 calories or 200 calories. We don't care if it's 220. And we never want to count every calorie. We never want to be that neurotic. You don't even have to count calories, but you do need to understand them and not waste them. The best way to understand food and weight control is to do a food diary for at least 1 full week, because we eat different on the weekends. And write down the calories by reading labels and using the calorie food grouping system. Put your measuring cups on your counter and a deck of cards, and take a picture in your mind what they look like. In time, you can guesstimate calories in your head like money, to the nearest 100 or 50. It's best to memorize the calorie food grouping system. The bread starch group is 100 calories for 1 slice of bread or a half a cup of all your starches. The meat group is 50 calories for 1 ounce of lean meat, 75 calories for 1 ounce of medium fat meats, and 100 calories for high fat meats. And remember, a deck of cards equals 3 ounces of meat, fish, or cheese. The vegetable group is 25 calories for a half a cup or 1 cup of salad. The fruit group is 50 calories for 1 small or a half a cup or 1 cup of melons and berries. The milk group is 100 calories for 1 cup of skim or 1% and 150 calories for whole milk. And the fat group is 50 calories for 1 tiny teaspoon of butter, margarine, oil, or mayonnaise. Always remember, 1 tablespoon of a fat is 100 calories, and 4 tablespoons, which is 2 ounces, a quarter of a cup, is 400 calories. Watch free video session 3 and learn how to guesstimate the calorie content of food without a label, using only 8 numbers. You can also get a free printable download of the food grouping system and a download of how to estimate the calories of common foods. Go to onoffdieting.com, free video session 3. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can help you with your weight loss journey. And share with your family and friends to teach everyone weight education. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.